10th row, connection stitch into the arch, 3 loops. It's going to be our first double crochet. 3 more double crochet into the same arch. This way we have 4 double crochet in the first arch. Into the next arch, another 4 double crochet. Into the next 4 double crochet. Two, 3, 4. Into the next one, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are at the corner of the square. Here we have to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 loops and 4 more double crochet into the same arch. 1, 2, 3, 4. This way we are making the corner. And into the next 5 arches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we make 4 double crochet into each one, and in the corner there will be 8 double crochet, and in the middle there will be 2 loops. See you in the end of the row. We are in the end of the row. We need to make last 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need to make the connection stitch into the top of the first double crochet. For us, it's the 3rd loop. It's okay if you feel that the doily is starting folding.